My name is Mike Bray. I'm the president of HobbyWorks. We have about 50 employees. We sell remote controlled cars, boats, planes, things like that. I decided that when I started my own business that I was always going to be able to tell my employees that the health insurance that they're being offered is exactly the same health insurance that the president of the company and his family are on. And that was always real important to me. And so within a year or two of starting the company, we started offering health insurance to our employees. We paid 100% of the cost. That is, to the full-time employees who qualified, there was no cost to them. And it was inexpensive for us to do that. And over the years, of course, the cost started to go up. We've gotten to the point now where it's a 50-50 split. So they pay half, we pay half. And our share is still higher than it was when we paid 100% of it, what is that, 10 or 12 years ago.
Costs of healthcare are going up every year, and more small businesses find that they either can't afford it or they have to cut back on benefits or cut back on wages because they have these huge premium increases that just keep coming year after year.
Small businesses are getting steamrolled by healthcare costs.
The profits are being sucked up by higher and higher insurance premiums, so they can't really expand their business. They can't really be the job generator for America.
Since everybody loves to bandy about how the small business employs most of America, heck yeah, it's important. It's really, really important.
Healthcare reform has been the #1 priority in poll after poll of small businesses across our land.
The biggest winners under this health reform movement that we have in the House and the Senate will be small businesses and the self-employed.
The healthcare reform bill has many critical components for small business. One is cost controls, bringing down the rate of inflation. 2, it creates insurance pools so small businesses can work together to bring their costs down. Thirdly, there are tax credits for small businesses. And lastly, some important insurance reforms to stop discrimination against small businesses.
The passage of this healthcare reform bill helps businesses like mine in a lot of ways, but the most important to me is that it helps me continue to offer healthcare coverage to my employees. Scott up front has been working with me since before I started the business. And if we had to stop offering healthcare coverage, he would either have to leave or he'd have to continue working for me without coverage. Neither one of which is acceptable. So passing of healthcare reform will help me continue to keep them happy and healthy and covered.